This can lead to increased shedding and hair loss over time. It's important to recognize that while some hair loss is normal, significant changes in hair volume or texture may warrant further investigation. If you're concerned about your hair loss, consider the following steps. Monitor your hair loss. Keep track of how much hair you lose daily, especially if it seems to be more than the typical 50 to 100 strands. Note any patterns, such as increased shedding after certain activities or during specific times of the month. Evaluate your hair care routine. Assess your hair care practices. Are you washing your hair too frequently? Are you using harsh chemicals or heat styling tools excessively? Consider reducing the frequency of washing, minimizing chemical treatments, and opting for gentler styling methods. Consider lifestyle factors. Stress can significantly impact hair health. Engage in stress-reducing activities such as exercise, meditation, or hobbies that bring you joy. Additionally, ensure you are getting adequate sleep and maintaining a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals. Consult a professional. If you notice unusual patterns of hair loss, such as bald spots or patches, or if your shedding is accompanied by other symptoms, like changes in skin or nails, consult a healthcare professional. A dermatologist can provide insights into potential underlying conditions and recommend appropriate treatments. Nutritional support. Ensure that your diet includes essential nutrients for hair health, such as proteins, iron, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamins A, C, D, and E. If necessary, consider speaking with a nutritionist to help identify any deficiencies. Explore treatment options. Depending on the cause of your hair loss, treatments may include topical solutions like minoxidil, prescription medications for underlying conditions, like thyroid issues, or lifestyle modifications tailored to your specific needs. By taking these proactive steps and staying informed about your hair health, you can better manage normal shedding while addressing any unusual changes that may arise.